This is a review on the structures of the heart, just to make sure we have everything down before we can start discussing the rest of the chapter. So we start with the vena cava. It brings the oxygenated blood to the right atrium of the heart. Then the right atrium is going to contract, pumping blood to the right ventricle through the atrioventricular valve. And now the right ventricle is going to contract so that this blood goes through the pulmonary artery through the semilunar valves. This blood is going to go to the lungs to get oxygenated. After being oxygenated, so now it's rich in oxygen and poor in carbon dioxide, this blood will return through the pulmonary vein, which is going to allow this blood to come to the left atrium. Now it's oxygenated blood. When the left atrium contracts, this oxygenated blood is going to go into the left ventricle, passing through the atrioventricular valve found between the atrium and the ventricle on the left side of the heart. And then the left ventricle contracts so that this oxygenated blood can leave the heart to the aorta through the semilunar valves. And then this oxygenated blood is in the aorta now. It is under high pressure. It's going to go into different branches of different arteries to be distributed to all of the body tissues, and so on. The cycle is going to repeat again.